AJVS, your trusted worldwide leader of high vacuum equipment.
Hello, this is Matt from AJVS, and today we will be featuring the Pfeiffer Vacuum Smart Test 570 Helium Leak Detector. The Pfeiffer Vacuum Smart Test 570 is the ideal solution for leak detection and leak tightness testing under vacuum. The Pfeiffer Vacuum HLT 570 incorporates flexible vacuum architecture and a compact design for easy integration in benchtop systems. The HLT 570 guarantees lowest detectable leak rates and short recovery time when detecting helium leaks or vacuum leaks. The HLT 570 features the test connection, which is a KF25 connection for connecting test objects. The instrument operation is the section dedicated to the display and operation interface. This is the loudspeaker housing, which emits audio signals when testing. The fresh air opening is the opening in the housing for fresh air supply. And on the left is the exhaust air opening, which is the opening in the housing for exhaust air discharge. On the back of the HLT 570, you could find the following connections. The gauge head is the connection port for compact gauges. Input-output is the connection for control and output signals. The RS23 port is the connection port for a computer or printer. The RS485 is another port for connecting a computer. The RC connection is for a remote control or radio transmitter. Relay 1 and Relay 2 are your relay contacts, and the LP connection is for connecting the sniffing probe. The main switch is on the back of the housing. After you turn on the leak detector, the instrument designation is displayed. It notifies you that it is running a self-test and the run-up of the turbopump starts. This lasts between 2 to 3 minutes and is visualized by the bar display. The instrument can be switched off at any time and in any state. Your current settings will always be saved. On the Ready to Start screen, the instrument displays the following parameters. Mode is the operating mode, either vacuum or sniffing. Mass is the type of gas. Filter is the filter stage, without, dynamic, or normal. CF is the date and calibration factor of the last calibration of twin flow high and twin flow low for sniffing. And signal is the current background signal. The Pfeiffer HLT 570 has 2 measuring modes. To change the setting, press Mode Vacuum/Sniff. Select the desired option with the soft keys on the right and left of the screen. You could change the value with the plus and minus keys. Prolonged pressing causes the parameters to be run through automatically. You could save the new value with the Save key, or go back 1 level with Back, or to the measured value or Ready to Start display with the Escape key. The Mode option allows you to select vacuum mode or sniffing mode. You also have the option for mass and leak rate factor. When searching for leaks with the Smart Test, the test gas entering or escaping through leaks in the sample is detected. For gas to flow through a leak, a pressure difference between the inside and outside of the sample is necessary. For this, either excess pressure or vacuum pressure is generated inside the sample. The Pfeiffer HLT 570 has 2 leak detection methods, the vacuum method and the sniffing method. In the vacuum method test, gas is blown against the wall of the evacuated sample from the atmosphere side. It enters the sample at the leaks and is fed to the leak detector. In the sniffing method, the test gas escaping from leaks in the sample into the atmosphere is detected. To detect a leak, the sniffing probe is applied to the points of the sample under helium overpressure of which is suspected of leaking. An increased leak rate value indicates an increased concentration of helium and therefore a leak. The Setup menu allows you to calibrate and customize the settings for the HLT 570. You can go to the Setup menu by pressing the Setup soft key in any menu which displays it. For example, you could change the operating language in the Language Selection screen. In this panel, you have the option to set the global operating language to either English, German, French, Spanish, Russian, or Chinese. In User Settings, you can adjust the different parameters for the leak detector alarm. You can set the prop leak rate, trigger alarm, and set point value ranges. The Pfeiffer HLT 570 is a reliable plug-and-play helium leak detector for easy integration into industrial leak testing systems. With its modular design and wireless remote capabilities, the Smart Test is an efficient and versatile leak detecting solution. The Pfeiffer HLT 570 provides maximum stability for repeatable measurement over long periods of time. For more information about the Pfeiffer Vacuum Smart Test 570 and other high vacuum equipment, please visit ajvs.com. Thanks for watching.
This video brought to you by AJVS Productions.